Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just over 64,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving onto our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our performance monitor and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes: sport, individual, eco and normal.